about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm filming a power hour with a big group of ladies. We're doing a big collab. I think as of right now there's 12 or 13 of us so far, could be more. So yeah, I will have a playlist down below of all the videos of all the power hours. So today I of course have my list for my power hour. I'm gonna be optimistic. I don't know how far I'm gonna get because Colton is napping. We'll see how far we get. So on my list, I want to tidy the living room, and so underneath that is put away the toys, wipe the surfaces, vacuum, and clean the windows. I want to tidy the bathroom. I don't really need to deep clean it. I do that on weekends, but I just want to wipe the surfaces and put away the towels. I just did laundry, and I still have a big basket of towels that needs to be put away. And if I have time, I want to mop the floor down here, so our kitchen and our hallway, because it's the winter, so we will track in stuff if we wear our shoes through the house. So I want to mop that if I have time. So we'll see how far I get. So if you like power hours, keep on watching, and I'll see you guys later.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
I'm standing outside my window. 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 I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening.
Alright, I have some extra time, so I'm gonna wipe down the appliances in my kitchen. And I'm using the Method Steel for Real and one of these microfiber cloths that are specifically for steel appliances or stainless steel appliances.
Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than
Alright, I have less than a minute left and I am done. I'm sweating. That was crazy. So yeah, that was my power hour. Make sure that you go watch all the other ladies who are participating in our collab today. Like I said, I think there's like 13 of us now, 12 or 13 of us now. So of course I will have the links down below to their videos and let them know that I sent you guys. If this is your first time stopping by, make sure you subscribe, and if you like this video, hit the like button and leave a comment down below. I love to get to know you guys, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.